Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless entry, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2013 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.